Welcome to our heartfelt guide on navigating the stormy seas of roof insurance claims. We understand that dealing with roof damage can be an emotional roller coaster, but we're here to help you every step of the way. First, it's crucial to assess the damage. If it's safe to do so, take pictures and make notes of all visible damage. This will be your guiding light when you're explaining the situation to your insurance company. Next, with a calm mind, review your insurance policy. Understand what is covered and what is not. It's like reading the rules of the game before you play. Once you've assessed the damage and reviewed your policy, it's time to reach out to your insurance company. Report the damage and start the claim process. Provide them with all the necessary details and documentation. Your insurance company will send an adjuster to inspect the damage. They will determine the extent of the damage and the cost of repairs. Be sure to share your own photos and notes with the adjuster. While the adjuster is doing their job, it's a good idea to get an estimate from a professional roofing contractor. This can help you understand if the insurance company's estimate is fair. If you disagree with the insurance company's estimate, don't be afraid to negotiate. Use your contractor's estimate as a bargaining tool. Once the claim is agreed upon, you can start the repairs. Make sure to use a reputable roofing contractor to ensure the job is done right. And that's it. While making a roof insurance claim can be a complex process, understanding the steps involved can make it much easier. Remember, it's important to be proactive, thorough, and patient. Thanks for watching.